Yo, what is up, everybody? Your host here, and listen up because we're about to break down the ultimate city break packing list. We're talking bare minimum, just a small backpack, but we're still going to fit everything you need for an epic trip. I used to overpack like crazy, dragging around these massive suitcases. Trust me, less is more. When you're navigating busy streets and hopping on and off public transport, you're going to thank me. Let's do this. First things first, the non-negotiables. You're not getting very far without that passport. Make sure it's up to date and don't even think about leaving those boarding passes behind. Print them out, download them, whatever your style is. Just make sure you can actually access them. I always take a picture of my passport and email it to myself just in case. You never know when you might need it. All right, let's move on to the good stuff. Look, you're going to be clocking some serious miles exploring all the hidden gems. Leave the stilettos at home. We're talking comfortable shoes, people. A good pair of sneakers will be your best friend. Now let's talk clothes. Pack light, pack versatile. Think a couple of basic tees, a pair of jeans, maybe a lightweight jacket, depending on the weather. Remember, layers are key. You can always adjust on the go. Oh, and don't forget a small day bag. Trust me, it comes in handy for carrying around your camera, water bottle, all that good stuff. All right, let's talk hygiene. You can't be exploring a new city feeling less than fresh. We're talking toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, the essentials. Now, remember those airport security rules. Stick to travel-sized containers for all your liquids. Pro tip, pack a bar of soap instead of liquid body wash. It takes up less space and it lasts way longer. Boom! Listen, you never know what the weather's going to throw at you. One minute it's sunshine and rainbows, the next you're caught in a downpour. Don't get caught slipping. Pack a compact umbrella or a lightweight rain jacket. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Plus, nobody wants to be that person scrambling for cover when the heavens open up. Walking around all day can really take it out of you. Staying hydrated is crucial, people. Ditch the single-use plastic and pack a reusable water bottle. You can fill it up at your hotel, at a fountain, even at a restaurant. It's better for the environment and it'll save you some cash in the long run. Win-win! Look, I'm not saying you're going to get into some crazy adventure straight out of an action movie, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Pack a small first aid kit with some band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, you know, just the basics. It'll save you a trip to the pharmacy and you'll be the hero if anyone needs a quick fix. Let's be real, we're all addicted to our phones, and there's nothing worse than your battery dying right when you need it most, especially when you're trying to navigate a new city, capture those Instagram-worthy shots. Don't be that person tethered to a wall socket. Pack a power bank, keep your devices charged, and keep living your best life. All right, so we're all about embracing spontaneity, but even the most adventurous traveler needs a little direction sometimes. I always pack a travel guide or a map. It's a great way to get your bearings, discover hidden gems, and plan out your itinerary. Plus, there's something charming about an old-school paper map. It's like a treasure hunt, but for your trip. Let's talk money. Always carry some local currency for smaller purchases and street vendors. And don't forget your credit cards. Keep them safe in a money belt or a secure pocket. Pro tip, notify your bank before you travel so they don't flag any foreign transactions. Nobody wants their card declined in the middle of a shopping spree. All right, now for the fun stuff. No city break packing list is complete without a little personal flair. Pack your favorite sunglasses, a stylish hat, maybe even a scarf if you're feeling fancy. This is your chance to let your personality shine. Oh, and don't forget any essential medications or toiletries specific to your needs. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate city break packing list, all crammed into one small backpack. Remember, less is more. Pack smart, pack light, and you'll be free to roam the city streets without a care in the world. Now get out there and make some memories. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next one. Peace.